Hi, I'm Jesse. This is my 2015 Stingray. Let's go for a ride. I picked the Corvette because I've always wanted one since I was about 10 years old. My aunt bought a C3 and she gave me a ride in it, and I've instantly fell in love with Corvettes and I've wanted one ever since.
So did you particularly pick the C7 specifically, or did you look at the C6, maybe the C5?
If I could have afforded a C5 or a C6 when I was younger, I would have definitely gotten one. But it just happens that I can afford a C7 now, and it was the right time to get one.
Yeah, and you got in before they got expensive. Because you look at them now, woo!
Right, they're definitely more expensive now.
Yeah. Did you consider anything else, or was it Corvette all the way?
It's always been Corvette for me.
No choice.
And I absolutely love the C7.
Do you think you'll see yourself getting a C8 when they become a little bit more affordable, or do you think you're going to just stick with this?
That's hard to say. I've already sat in a C8 and it felt wonderful.
Okay.
But truthfully, I don't like the looks of them as much as the C7.
I completely agree. I really think, even though the C8 from an engineering standpoint is definitely a step forward with the mid-engine and all that, the exterior, I don't like it as much as I like the C7. I think you put them next to the C7 is a prettier car. And it's got to be pretty. And if you're going to spend this kind of money on a car, you got to like the way it looks.
I agree with you. I think the C7 is a prettier car than the C8.
Yep. In current state. I want to see what the C9 looks like. That's what I'm interested in, because that's going to really tell us where they're going. Or really more so, I think the Z06 C8 is going to give us a better idea of where Chevy's going to go as a manufacturer in that sector.
I searched the internet for a while, for a few months, and I found this one at a dealership in San Ramon. I drove out there and test drove it, bought it that day.
Had you driven one prior to that?
I have not driven a C7 prior to that.
Okay, so you sat in, you're like, this is perfect.
Yeah. Once it was kind of surprising. They gave me the keys and let me drive on my own. So I took
You must look very trustworthy, I guess. You have that affect.
I definitely took it for a ride, and I felt what it would do, and decided that this was definitely the car for me.
What do you like about the car while you're driving it? Motor?
It's got everything. It's powerful. It's a really fun car to drive. It will do everything you want it to do when you tell it to do it. It's pretty smooth for a sports car, and even if I don't want to spend a lot of money on gas or anything, I can get up to 30 miles to a gallon if I'm not pushing it. When I do want to push it, it's got plenty of oomph, and it really gives you that jolt of excitement.
It's that instant power delivery that the LS motor, actually LT motor,
LT.
does, which is if you've not driven a small block, you really have to have a small block at some point. Have a small block V8 in your garage. The torque is just, there's nothing like it. Even with turbocharged cars, it's not quite the same. That naturally aspirated, big displacement torque is just, puts a smile on your face.
Right. This car, all the way around, is top notch.
Yeah.
It really is. That's why they had to go to mid-engine design with the C8, just because they could not make the car any better than what it is.
Yeah.
The C7 is the epitome of a front engine car.
Yep. I think that, and I said this a while ago, but I think this is going to be the new sought after Corvette is going to be the C7. That's the one that's going to hold its value because it's the last front engine rear wheel drive Corvette, and also it's the last of an era. With they refined it so much that you're always going to want the end of the basically the apex of that particular car is always going to be something of value. So I think these are going to hold the value better than the C6 because this is the last one.
There's nothing I have to complain about this car. Everything. The responsiveness that this car has, it's the best car I've ever had. I did the carbon fiber.
So you've added this piece down here as well?
Yeah, centerpiece.
Oh, piece there. Nice. Yeah, dude.
I ordered a dash, a carbon fiber dash. So this carbon fiber stuff isn't like real carbon fiber.
Yeah, it looks like carbon fiber. Yeah. That's kind of good because carbon fiber, when enough sun hits it, the white part kind of turns yellow. What is it under here? Is it aluminum under here, or what's the? Is like this?
Actually, under this is leather.
Okay.
And under here is plastic.
Okay. Definitely an upgrade, though.
I needed to find covers for
these pieces.
The doors there.
I think it's gonna be all carbon fiber pretty soon, man.
Oh, there's lots of little things that are hidden all over this car.
Oh, put your gat in there.
Yeah. There's all kinds of things. Just what you can do with the computer.
Yeah.
You can personalize everything. Like I have all the gauges on this personalized for myself. And I don't know if you can see it. I also have the heads-up display up here, which I love.
Yeah.
And it even tells me G-forces. It'll tell me everything. It tells me whether or not the tires are warm.
Yeah.
Pressure. Just everything.
Yeah. Oh, almost too much.
Yeah, I can even have it time my speeds for quarter miles and stuff like that.
Yeah. Overall impression of the car?
No regrets. Anybody that is thinking about getting a C7 Corvette, I would tell them in all earnesty that they will not have any regrets.